What better gift for our body than nourishing it with a nutritious meal? Such a meal can supply our systems, organs, and tissues with everything necessary to replenish what they have expended while tirelessly working to keep us alive. This is what this channel is all about. Empowering your existence with focus on your health and vitality. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share this video, leave a comment, and turn on your notification button to get our videos anytime they are posted. Today's nourishing delicacy is a spicy soup, popularly called pepper soup. Join me as I take you through the preparation process and the nutritional values of this meal. Thank you.
All right, I'm using goat meat for my pepper soup. I'm not leaving them big like this. I'll still have to cut them into bits. So pepper soup originates from Nigeria in West Africa. And is a spicy soup made with different meats, very known for its hot taste and watery texture. All right, so you may be asking yourself, why should I be eating this spicy soup? Yes, so you have to, because all the spices used in preparing this soup can support your digestion, alleviate any digestive discomfort you may be having. And the spices like ginger and black pepper are known for their potential immune boosting properties. And here are the basic ingredients that you need in order to enjoy pepper soup. Habanero pepper, of course, black pepper, ginger and garlic, crayfish, scent leaf, vegetable oil, my salt and seasoning. I will start by blending all my ingredients. I'm putting the crayfish, seasoning, peeled ginger and garlic, my pepper and onions. Don't forget your onions, that's very important too. Black pepper and salt. I'm going to blend all together. Nowadays, pepper soup continues to be cherished in Nigeria and has become popular in other regions of West Africa too. A fun fact about this soup is that it's traditionally served to guests as a sign of hospitality. Who wants to wait for guests in order to prepare this soup? I beg, my family members are my everyday guests. Oh yes, and I do this on a weekly basis. Over here, I need to soak my dried or scent leaves, but back home, like in Nigeria, you can find them fresh. However, just use whatever type is available in your location. Yes, I use warm water to soak them to make them soft. And I'll put the goat meat in the pot. So remember, I cut the meat into pieces. I'm not going to use them as big as it was when I got them. So I already cut them. After that, I will pour in the blended ingredients. Remember, so make sure you get all those ingredients from your blender, rinse and pour. Don't put plain water, just leave the water the way it is. So I'm adding my mixed spicy. There's a pepper soup spices I bought from African markets. If you're in Africa, back home, you can get a fresh one from your local market. We have fresh ones there. So vegetable oil is optional. If you want to use it, that's fine. And I will then say again, this is the foundation of my pepper soup. So I'll have to turn the meat thoroughly, very well, to make sure that they all mix well. After this, you can keep it for hours. That's marinating. All right, cooking time. It's time to cook my pepper soup. So you have to start boiling the meat. Remember, don't pour extra water. Allow the meat to bring out the water inside of it. So some people add water at this time. Some people allow theirs for some time, but I will have to keep on looking at it and allow it to bring out water of its own. So this is the good time to add your soft scent leaf. So here it goes. I'm adding mine, and after adding this, I'm going to add some water. Yes, I'm done adding my scent leaf. So it's so funny that I keep on turning this pepper soup because I just love the aroma that is I'm getting from it. Um, the aroma is everywhere in the house. So this is the right time. I'm going to pour in some water inside the soup, cover my pot, and allow the meat to cook very well and soft as desired. Then the pepper soup is ready. This soup right here is a natural remedy to treat cold. Yes, it's full of flavor and packed with vitamins and minerals, which are especially important for your body when you're really feeling sick or when you are down with cold. The soup can go along with white rice, what we call agidi, or even white yam. You can also try this at home. Thank you for watching. And remember this soup anytime your guests are coming. You're not feeling well or you're down with cold. Yeah. Or you can even make it your weekly meal. Thank you.